Hey there, my name's Mike Montgomery on behalf of Rhino Garden Supply, and today I'd like to show you how to assemble and install your 4-foot by 8-foot raised garden bed kit. Let's get started. Before assembling my raised garden bed kit, I used a rake to level and clear out where I'll be assembling everything. Then, I laid down a layer of mulch to help provide proper drainage and to help level everything out even more. If you don't have mulch, gravel would work great here as well. Inside your box, you'll find all of your components, including 12 4-foot long boards, 8 of which are unmarked on all ends, while 4 are marked with the letter H on one joint. These marked joints are slightly shallower than the others and allow for the thickness of the metal support strap in the center of the bed. As you assemble your first layer, it's important that all of the holes line up to ensure that your raised garden bed is assembling square. And once you have your first layer of boards down, you'll repeat the exact same steps as a mirror image for the second layer. And as a rule of thumb, the joints marked with the letter H are always going to point towards the center of the bed where they can interact with the metal straps holding everything square. Included in the box are 6 metal pins that will lock all of your joints in place. Like I mentioned before, it's important that all of the holes of the joints line up, and these pins ensure that they stay lined up. That way your boards are flat and square. And now that I've assembled everything on my garage floor for the sake of demonstration, I could do the exact same steps over again in place on the mulch bed. If you need any clarification along the way, don't forget to refer to your written instructions that come with your raised garden bed kit. This assembly video is just for a little extra instruction. Next, you can lay the weed barrier down in your assembled bed, which is sewn up at the corners to let water drain through while still holding your soil in. As you can see, the weed barrier is split into 2 4-foot by 4-foot sections so that the barrier can go over the metal bars in the center of the assembled bed. This 4-foot by 8-foot by 1-foot bed took a total of 32 cubic feet of soil. Once I had it all in place and raked out evenly, I could start adding all of my plants into the beds. So there you have it. I couldn't be more excited with how this 4-foot by 8-foot by 1-foot raised garden bed kit from Rhino Garden Supply looks. Not only do the cedar boards look great, but cedar wood does great against the elements and water for a long-lasting raised garden bed. So thanks a ton for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you have any additional questions or concerns, don't forget to reach out to Rhino Garden Supply directly. Bye everybody!